Nuppy Guppies, 1, 2, 3, we're Nuppy Guppies, swimming in the sea. Come learn and laugh and sing with me. Love one another, that's the key.
Hola Nuppy Guppies! Esta es tu capitana, Miss Nupp. This is your captain, Miss Nupp, here to introduce the new season that we are in. Are you ready? I'll be right back. Now I'm ready. Let's take a look at what season we were just in. Were we in winter? No. Were we in spring? Yes! We were just in spring. So, I want you to give me a drum roll, please, for our new season of summer! We are in summer. Officially, summer has begun. How about we practice using a full sentence by saying, the season is summer. Are you ready? The season is summer. Good job! Vamos a practicar en español. Let's practice in Spanish. Ready? ¿Listos? La estación es verano. Muy bien, buen trabajo, Nuppy Guppies.
Yeah!
I will see you very soon.
Nuppy Guppies, 1, 2,